So this is how Kajol rocked her dupatta in the song. Hey guys, Sat Shri Akal and welcome back to Rose Beauty. Today's video is going to be very special because I'm sharing with you guys how you can style your dupatta with Punjabi suits. The first dupatta style is so easy, an effortless way to look elegant. This style is perfect if you have a dupatta with borders or a heavy dupatta. This way, you're highlighting your dupatta and at the same time hiding your tummy if you have any. This looks very classy and chic. So another variation to the same look is going to be have a gathered look on one side. So for that, take one side of dupatta and start making pleats. So this is another very common way of wearing your dupatta with Punjabi suits. So you can see this style very often in Punjab for a more neat look. So unlike the first style, one hand is completely free and with the other one you're giving a very elegant look the way you're holding your dupatta. So there is also another way where you can give gathered look on both sides. So this is another very common way of wearing your dupatta with Punjabi suits, and I think this is a very 90s style, but a lot of girls still wear their dupatta this way. Another very easy and quick way of styling your dupatta with Punjabi suit is just wear your dupatta on one side, and if it is too long, then you can hold the other side of your dupatta. So these days dupattas are very wide. In that case, you can make 2-3 pleats in the starting and then wear your dupatta on one side like this. So to keep the dupatta in place, you can use a safety pin. So most of the styles that I'm sharing with you guys today look good if you have dupatta with borders or a heavy dupatta. These styles won't look good with a very plain or lightweight dupatta. So the next style is perfect if you're wearing a heavy dupatta with a heavy suit. So in this style, you're showing off both your dupatta and suit. So this is a very common way of rocking your dupatta in the weddings or parties because then style I'm going to show you guys is how Kajol rocked her dupatta in the song Ye Ladka Hai Allah, Hai Hai Re Allah. And if you want to play around with this look, you can again support a waist belt. That will look very pretty. Last but not the least, people wear dupatta like this on weddings, parties, and even if they are performing on the stage. Use this style of dupatta if you have a heavy or border dupatta. This won't look good with a plain dupatta. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. And on that beautiful note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and Sat Shri Akal. Bye!